Hello, welcome to RV Pro Tips. I'm your host, Jeremy Petros. I love the great outdoors. I love the Pacific Northwest. I love the Southern California coast. I love the mountains of the Rockies. I love the Cascades. I love the deserts of Utah and New Mexico and Arizona. I love and have a very strong nomadic tendency. I just love to hit the road, do a road trip, and it's especially enjoyable when you are taking your home with you. Whether that's a small teardrop, a Class C motorhome, or even a B van, a giant 45-foot tandem axle diesel pusher, fifth wheel, or just your bunkhouse travel trailer, your stick and tin. I got to tell you, they all provide a tremendous amount of opportunity to go out and just see the country and to enjoy each other. Hopefully off screen while you're out doing this. But I got to tell you, being around the RV industry and interacting with families, and whether they be weekend warriors or full-timers, I have been blessed to hear amazing stories about different types of ways to enjoy the RV lifestyle. So my objective here is to provide resources for free to you, the community, the RV community, whether that be helping you figure out what RV is best for you, or what tools you'll need, or things to pack up and take with you, what pitfalls to avoid, or things to enjoy. I just want to be an absolute blessing to you, a tool to the RV community that has given me so very, very much over the years. So thank you for coming by RV Pro Tips. You know what to do. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And if you'd be so kind, drop a comment below. Help me choose material to focus on so that I can put that together and bring it to you, the RV community. So until next time, let's go camping. I love the RV industry. I love everything it stands for. I love everything that it provides. It provides an opportunity to venture from one outdoor location to another, whether it be the woods of the Pacific Northwest, or a beach along the Southern California coast, or the Gulf of America. Ain't it great? Oh boy, there's a whole bunch of ferns growing on the roof of that shed. Up and down the East Coast, up and down the West Coast. Look, from coast to coast,